Good morning, children. Welcome back to Science Online Class. Today, we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter number 4, Soil. What is soil? Soil is the topmost layer of the earth where plants grow. Plants get water, minerals, and nutrients from the soil and they grow up. As you all know, the plants are the direct or indirect source of food for all living beings. Some animals like ants, earthworms live in the soil. So, soil is very important for all living beings. Let's study about formation of soil. Children, do you know how soil is formed? Soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks into small pieces. Long ago, there was no life on earth. It was covered with big rocks. Due to the heat of the sun, rocks were heated. Then, water and low temperature during winters cooled them down. This continued for a long time. The continuous heating and cooling of rocks resulted in the breaking down of rocks into small pieces. These pieces further broke down into very small pieces due to the action of wind, water, and heat. It is a continuous process. It takes thousands of years to form a small amount of soil. The color of the soil differs from place to place. Soil may be light brown in one place and dark brown in another. In India, red soil and black soil are also found. Children, can you tell me what does soil contains? Soil contains humus, sand, clay and pebbles. What is humus? The top layer has remains of dead animals, plants and leaves. It is called humus and is very fertile. So, it is good for the growth of plants. Next, clay. Clay consists of very fine powder form of rock that feels smooth. Sand. Sand is the grainy part and consists of bigger particles of rock. Pebbles. Pebbles are small and smooth stones. Children, take your science book. Children, take page number 40. Lesson 4, Soil. In this lesson, we are going to learn how soil is formed, what soil contains, uses of soil. Today, we are going to learn how soil is formed, what soil contains. Soil is the top layer of the earth where plants grow. Plants stay fixed to the soil with the help of their roots. Soil also provides water and nutrients to the plants. Underline the word top layer of the earth plants grow. What is soil? Soil is the top layer of the earth where plants grow. Next, underline the word soil provides water, nutrients to the plants. Take page number 41. How soil is formed. Soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks. The sun's heat, the rain and the wind also help in the breaking down of rocks. The process of breaking down of rocks lasts for thousands of years. Underline the word here, breaking down of rocks. Sun's heat, rain, wind help in the breaking down of rocks. Next, thousands of years. Dead plants and animals also play a very important role in the formation of soil. Underline the word, dead plants and animals play a very important role in the formation of soil. Here, soil is very important for the growth of plants. Underline the word, soil, growth of plants. Next, thus soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks. It takes thousands of years to form a small amount of soil. Underline the word, thousands of years to form small amount of soil. The color of the soil differs from place to place. Soil may be light brown in one place and dark brown in another. In India, red soil and black soil are also found. Underline the word India, red soil, black soil. Page number 42. What soil contains? What does soil contains? Soil contains humus, sand, clay and pebbles. Humus is made up of the remains of dead plants and animals. Underline the word humus, made up of remains of dead plants and animals. Humus holds the water and provides nutrients for the plants. It makes the soil fertile. It is usually dark brown or black. What is the meaning of remains? Small parts of dead plants and animals. What is the meaning of nutrients? Materials present in soil which are useful to plants. What is the meaning of fertile? Soil is said to be fertile when plants grow well in it. Underline the word. Soil contains humus, sand, clay, pebbles. Next, clay. Clay consists of very fine powdered form of rock that feels smooth. Next, sand. Sand is the grainy part and consists of bigger particles of rock. Pebbles. Pebbles are small and smooth stones. Let's remember Roman number 1. Circle the odd one out in each of the following. First one, soil, water, nutrients, humus. Nutrients. Second one, sand, clay, nutrients, pebbles. Add on out, nutrients. Third one, heat, rain, wind, soil. Add on out, soil. Roman number 2, write T for the true and F for the false statements. Question number 1. Soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks. Answer, true. Second one, soil is not important for the growth of plants. Answer, false. Question number 3. It takes a few years to form a small amount of soil. Answer, false. Children, take your science booklet. Take a new page and write lesson 4. Soil. Roman number 1. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Give 2 ways in which soil is important for plants. First point. Without soil, plants would have no place to grow. Second point. Plants take in water and nutrients from the soil. Second. Question number 2. Explain how soil is formed from rocks. Soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks. The sun's heat, the rain and the wind also help in breaking down of rocks. This process lasts for thousands of years. Question number 3. Name 4 things that soil contains. Soil contains humus, sand, clay and pebbles.